and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another recipes video. Today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a very delicious, high protein, vegan sushi bowl. Completely plant-based, fish-free sushi bowl. This sushi bowl, you guys, I have been obsessed with and I had to show you guys how to make it because not only is it delicious, but it is also very easy to make. It is customizable and it's great for meal prep because you can prep all of these ingredients in advance, keep it in the fridge, and then whenever you're ready to eat, just assemble it, put it together. This is the bowl. It is super colorful, lots of veggies, and it has 27 grams of protein per serving and about 500 calories. And to me, that is the perfect meal, okay? And if you wanted to make it even higher protein, you can always, of course, add some more edamame beans. If you wanted to make it slightly lower calories, maybe a little less rice, a little more veggie, whatever you want to do, there you go.
First thing we're gonna do is prepare the rice. Now I am using short grain rice or sushi rice, and I'm gonna use my rice cooker to do the magic. Now you can use whatever rice you like. Obviously sushi rice would be the best option for this, but you could do brown rice or any other type of rice that you have or prefer. You should be able to prepare everything while the rice is cooking. So let's move on to one of our protein options, which of course is going to be tofu. This is my favorite plant-based protein. I'm using extra firm tofu and I'm just gonna cut this into these little squares. You can honestly cut them however way you want. This is just how I like to cut it, okay? And then I'm gonna add this into a kind of container or a bowl. And I'm just going to lightly marinate this with some soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sesame oil. Now for this recipe, I prefer to keep the tofu raw and cold, so I'm just gonna leave it there and shake it up. But if you prefer your tofu cooked, then you could just throw it into the air fryer or the oven, maybe toss in a little cornstarch first so that it's nice and crispy on the outside, and just cook it until it's cooked to your liking. But I'm just gonna let this marinate, and while this marinates, let me tell you about today's sponsor.
Now, some of you may remember, but a few months ago, I made a video letting you guys know that I am back on a fat loss journey. And I've been trying to lose fat, gain muscle, and all that jazz. And I've been doing it with the help of the Body Pod. Yes, this is the Body Pod by Hume Health. So the Body Pod is the world's first portable body analyzer, and it uses 8 frequency sensors to deliver precise weight, full body composition, and heart health. So this is not just a scale, you guys. This is a full body analyzer with a medical grade accuracy of 98%, which is actually comparable to those in-body machines that you see in the gym or something that cost like $20,000. Instead, you can have one of these at home all the time. So you can literally measure yourself like every day, which is amazing. So if you are someone that is on some sort of a fitness journey, whether it is trying to lose fat or gain muscle, this Body Pod is gonna give you so many more details than a traditional scale. Because the thing is, there is so much more to your body than just the weight, right? Because some of us may say we wanna lose weight, but really we mean we wanna lose fat. And sometimes the number on the scale is not always going to represent how much fat we're losing. So the last time I showed you guys the Body Pod, I weighed 59.3 kilograms. Now I am at 58.4 kilograms, so I lost about 1 kilogram. But more importantly, I went down in body fat percentage. So the last time I was at 35.4% body fat, and now I am at 33.5%. So I did go down in body fat percentage, as well as I lost, it looks like 1.5 kilos of body fat. And I've also gained a little bit of muscle. So overall, I have gained a little bit of muscle and lost a bit of fat. With a regular scale, I would not have gotten that information. So I love having all of that information, especially when I'm trying to lose fat and gain muscle. And the Hume app is gonna help you track all of your progress. So if you guys wanna check out the Body Pod by Hume Health, make sure you use the link below and use my code CHEAPLAZYVEGAN. That's gonna save you up to 50% on the Body Pod, you guys. And the discount code is valid for only 7 days, so make sure you don't miss out. Link is below. Use my code CHEAPLAZYVEGAN and get yourself the Body Pod so you can track your fitness progress at home. Thank you so much to Hume Health for sponsoring today's video. Now back to your video.
Now for the sushi bowl, I do like to add lots of veggies, so let's prep some veggies. I'm starting out with some carrots, and I'm just gonna use my julienne peeler to peel the carrots into these very long, thin pieces. You could actually just cut them up yourself, or you could just use a regular peeler, and that's gonna create wider ribbons. But yeah, you can cut them up however way you'd like, and I'm just going to store it in a container because I'm basically meal prepping this, so I can just keep every vegetable in a separate container. Next veggie is going to be red cabbage. Now I like to try to make this colorful because I think it's fun, you know, so that's why I chose these kind of different colors. But feel free, guys, to use whatever veggies you like. You could just do some lettuce, you could do regular like white cabbage, whatever you like, okay? I just like to shred the cabbage into these kind of thin shreds so that it's nice and easy to eat. And look how pretty that color is, honestly. Next, we're also going to cut up some cucumber, and once again, cut them up however way you like. I'm cutting them up like this so that it's these like quartered pieces. I don't know what this cutting method is called, but do whatever you like. You can also julienne them as well, cut them into long, thin pieces. It's up to you. And there you go. We have all of these lovely veggies ready to go. Now for our next protein source, I love to add edamame beans. I buy the shelled kind and I keep it in the freezer for all of my edamame needs. Okay, I love edamame beans, so I always have some in the freezer. So I just thawed it out and now I have all of these awesome colorful ingredients ready for the sushi bowl, but we still have to make our sriracha mayo. Now, I normally would just mix in vegan mayo with some sriracha, but this is actually not vegan mayo. In fact, it's vegan yogurt. It's plain vegan yogurt. I wanted to make this a little bit healthier, a little bit lighter in the calories. So I thought, why not use vegan yogurt? I'm pretty obsessed with vegan coconut yogurt right now. So I just mixed some sriracha with some vegan yogurt, and that is my sriracha mayo or sriracha yogurt sauce. Now this does have a slight yogurty taste, especially if you eat it on its own, but I think on top of the sushi bowl, I can't really notice a difference between this and vegan mayo, but I recommend making a little bit and seeing if you like it. If not, stick to the vegan mayo, okay? I just added in a little garlic salt to add a little bit extra flavor, and there you go. There is the creamy sriracha yogurt sauce. Yeah, lovely. And now your rice should be complete. It should be nice and cooked. And as you can see, the sushi rice is nice and sticky. That's what makes it special. And if you're actually gonna make sushi rolls, you definitely need to be making sushi rice. Otherwise, your rice ain't gonna stick, okay? But for the bowl, because you're not rolling it up, it's actually not that big of a deal if you don't use sushi rice. Anyways, I am just adding some sugar, some salt, and of course, rice vinegar to the sushi rice, and then we're just gonna mix this up. This is gonna be nicely seasoned, slightly sweet, and a little salty, so it's gonna be perfect for our sushi bowl. So now we have all of the ingredients, and we are ready to finally assemble our beautiful bowl, starting with the veggies. And then, of course, we wanna add the rice. You could also add the rice at the bottom. It's up to you how you wanna assemble this bowl, okay? You're gonna add that marinated tofu along with those edamame beans. Look at all of that plant-based protein. And then this part is optional, and I didn't include this in the calories, but I love to also top with some avocado if I have it. Yes, we love a little avocado action. And of course, we have that lovely, beautiful sriracha sauce, and I like to be pretty generous with my sriracha sauce. Yes, because I think it's so good and it just adds so much flavor. And of course, if you don't like spicy, then skip the sriracha mayo. And if you prefer this to be more flavorful, feel free to drizzle on some soy sauce. And then I like to finally top the sushi bowl with some sesame seeds. And there you have it. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous, colorful bowl with 27 grams of protein. And if you like, you can also eat this with some pickled ginger, which I love so much. And I always like to also eat this with seaweed, so some roasted seaweed or some nori sheets. Now, I just kept every veggie in a separate container, but another option, if you want to make it a little bit easier on yourself, is to just prep the whole thing minus the rice in a container, because this part you don't have to heat up. I do recommend heating up the rice in the microwave separately, so that's why I kept the rice separately, but everything else you can actually keep in a container like this and then just throw it on top of the rice once it's heated up, and then it's ready to eat.
Once again, a whopping 27 grams of protein per serving and about 500 calories. If you don't add the avocado, it's a little extra with the avocado, but not much, okay? Let's try it. I mean, I know it's good because I've been eating it like all the time. I highly recommend eating it with some seaweed, because then it's like literally you're eating like sushi, okay? Like a deconstructed sushi bowl. You know what? I'm gonna get some seaweed. Some roasted seaweed or some nori. Edamame, piece of ginger. Here it is. Cheers. Mmm. Mmm. It's so good. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Take a piece, nori, just go wild. Yeah. Mmm. Oh my god. It's so good. I actually can't stop. Mmm. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this high protein sushi bowl recipe. The full recipe will be on my blog linked below. So make sure you check that out and make sure you try this out because it is so good. And of course guys, don't forget to check out the Body Pod by Hume Health. Once again, use my code CheapLazyVegan to get up to 50% off. And again, that code is valid for only 7 days. So don't miss out on getting a huge discount on this amazing body analyzer that you can have at home. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!